Hi all. In this video we are going to see a problem related to payback period and annual energy saving. That is, this is a problem given, that is an 82% efficient 15 HP, that is power HP size 2 times rewounded AC motor was replaced with the new 89% efficiency of, this is another motor new, that is why it is mentioned as new, of 15 HP size or same capacity, same size, that is energy efficiency motor for energy conversion purpose. Objective is to find annual energy saving potential and payback period. These are some given data, that is load factor is 85% and cost per unit is 6 rupees. Operating hours per year is equal to 7,200. Cost of the motor is equal to rupees 80,000. Let us first write the given data, that is the old motor ratings, that is old motor data. What are the old motor data? That is size is given 15 HP, that we have mentioned. Efficiency is given, that is 82%. Similarly, new motor 89% efficiency given, 15 HP power is given, that is new motor. This is old motor. Here we have mentioned, and the other data, that is these are the other data: load factor, cost per unit, operating hours per year, cost of the motor, or the other factors, other data are mentioned. And here our objective is to find payback period, that is which is given by the formula total investment divided by energy saving cost. This is taken as equation 1. Here the total investment is given, that is total investment is 80,000 rupees. The overall cost of the motor is 80,000 rupees. Next, our objective is to find energy saving cost, that is energy saving cost is we have to find, which is defined as the difference between energy cost of old motor and energy cost of new motor. This is the formula, that is formula for finding the energy saving cost. And first we have to find the energy cost of old motor, that is old motor we have to find. Based on the given data, we are going to find the old motor cost, that is efficiency is equal to output power divided by input power, which is mechanical power divided by electrical power. That is for motor output is mechanical power, input is electrical power. Here for old motor 82% is efficiency, 15 HP is the power and electric power. Electric power we have to find, that is input power we have to find. That is input power is equal to 18.29 HP. By calculating, bring this to this side and this to this side, you will get an answer that 18.29 HP, which is the input power or electric power. We know that 1 HP is equal to 746 watts. Therefore, 18.29 HP is equal to 18.29 into 46 watts, which is in watts. So we are calculating, we are converting into kilowatts. That is divided by 1000. We are going to calculate this by kilowatts, converting into kilowatts, which is equal to 13.646 kilowatts, which is input power. Here we have to find the energy so that we can calculate the unit per cost. That is energy is equal to, we know that power into time. Power is input power into operating hours per year. That is operating hours is given, that is 7,200 is given, operating hours per year. Next is we have to substitute, these two data are known, we have to substitute and we will get 9820,800, that is 98,208 kilowatt hour. This is in watts, it is in a kilowatt hour, that is this is watt hour. This is watt hour, in watt hour this is kilowatt hour. And last we are going to 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour, that is 98,208 units. Our objective is to find the cost, that is unit per cost. For per unit cost is given 6 rupees. Therefore for 98,208, 6 into 98,208, which is equal to 5,89,248 rupees, which is for old motor, cost of old motor. Energy cost of old motor is found. Next we have to find the energy cost of new motor. New motor we have to find, that is total energy cost of new motor, which is efficiency equal to output by input. The same procedure is followed, and here we have found the input power, that is 12.57 kilowatts, and energy is power into time, the obtained input power into 7200, that is operating hours per year. This is operating hours per year, and the energy per cost is 6 rupees. For 90,504, it is rupees 5,43,024 rupees. And our objective is to find, as per definition, difference between old minus new, that is cost of old motor minus cost of new motor, that is 5,89,248 minus 5,43,024 rupees, which is equal to 46,224 into load factor, that is into load factor is equal to, we will get the overall energy saving cost, that is energy saving cost is equal to that difference into load factor. Next our objective is to find payback factor, that is from equation 1. From equation 1, the total investment, that is total investment divided by energy saving cost. Energy saving cost is given by that is 80,000 is given. Next we have found the energy saving cost, that is 39,290. From that we will get payback period in year, that is 2.03 years. For in order to convert the years into months, we are multiplying by 12. This is payback period. This is one of the simple problem based on annual energy saving and payback period. If you want, you will solve an exercise, that is, this is an exercise. If you want to solve an exercise like this, this is one of the example with the solution, answer is given. If you want, you can note it by pausing the video. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel.